Welcome to this tutorial on how to install Ubuntu on Windows using the Windows Subsystem for Linux. If you're a Windows user looking to explore Linux without needing to dual boot or set up a virtual machine, WSL is the perfect solution. To enable the Windows Subsystem for Linux, start by opening the Windows Start menu and searching for Turn Windows Features On or Off. Select the corresponding option to open the Windows Features control panel. In the Features window, check the boxes for Virtual Machine Platform and Windows Subsystem for Linux, then click OK to apply the changes. Windows will process the updates, and once completed, you'll be prompted to restart your system. Click Restart Now to reboot and finalize the setup. While we wait for the reboot, did you know that the Windows Subsystem for Linux allows you to access your entire Windows file system from within Linux? This seamless integration makes it perfect for developers and power users who need to work across both operating systems effortlessly. After the system reboots, open the Start menu and navigate to the Microsoft Store. Once inside, use the search bar to look for Ubuntu. From the results, select the latest LTS long-term support release, such as Ubuntu 22.04 or Ubuntu 24.04, to proceed with the installation. After selecting the desired Ubuntu LTS release from the search results, you'll be taken to its page in the Microsoft Store. Click the Get button to start downloading and installing Ubuntu for WSL. This process will take a few moments depending on your internet speed. After the download is complete, open a Windows command prompt and run the command WSL-update. This ensures that the WSL kernel is updated to the latest version, providing improved performance and compatibility for your Ubuntu environment. Once the update is complete, open the Windows Start menu and search for Ubuntu. Select the installed version, such as Ubuntu 24.04 LTS, to launch it. This will start the initialization process for your Ubuntu environment on WSL. In the final step, you'll be prompted to create a new user for Ubuntu. Enter a username and password of your choice. This does not need to match your Windows credentials. Once set, the system will initialize and welcome you to your new Ubuntu environment on WSL. You're now all set. You can start using Ubuntu as you normally would, creating bash scripts, installing software with the apt command, or accessing your Windows C drive via the /mnt/c directory. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Linux and Windows tips. For more detailed instructions, check out our article on the website. See you in the next video.